Hi everyone. Tools and machines play an important role in a variety of activities. They help people to produce goods and provide services. In manufacturing, for example, tools are used to automate processes and increase efficiency. Construction tools such as hammers, screwdrivers, drills, and saws are used to repair and construct buildings. Without tools, many jobs would be impossible or extremely time-consuming. This is a homemade percussion tool powered by an electric drill. It comes in handy when you need to rivet or level something. Improve the quality and speed of your work with this versatile tile adhesive application tool. Using a pencil and a wooden plank, you can draw a contour and cut a straight edge for the floorboard. To make a durable and beautiful floor, you first need to pour crushed stone in a solution. After hardening, polish it with a special machine. In order to break bricks so smoothly and quickly, you need not only a tool, but also experience. With this machine, the worker easily rips off the old floor covering. This washing vacuum cleaner will easily clean fabric car seats from dirt and unpleasant odors. A small hydro generator that can generate electricity when connected to water pipes and faucets. The process of repairing a dent in plastic on a car door. When hauling the seat with leather, it is necessary to properly wrap and attach it, especially in the corners. The driver of the excavator attached an old car tire to the bucket to give a semicircular shape to the trench. Today, there are many attachments for the excavator to perform various tasks. This is a manual equipment for washing pavement and roads with high-pressure water. A man using an electric drill and a bicycle wheel cleans corn with ease. A special trolley is equipped with hooks, with which the worker grabs a bag of cement and then takes it to the right place. A worker using this machine and cork bark produces bottle plugs. To facilitate the work, people tied a hook to the excavator bucket, which can hook a concrete pipe and move it to the right place. Thanks to a crane and a special container for concrete supply, the workers did not have to carry it by hand. 3D printer automatically and without human intervention prints concrete walls for a future home. With this hand tool, you can easily cut thick electrical cables. With this DIY tool, you no longer need a ladder to reach the ceiling. This is a strong, two-component epoxy adhesive that securely fixes even metal products. This hand tool allows you to break bricks in the right place. The master makes frying pans from metal plates and using a percussion machine. In order not to throw away aluminum cans, they can be melted down and made into various products using special molds.
The video showed how a straw fork with a pedal could be used for digging the soil. The video shows the application of liquid insulation for covering electrical damages and wire joints. The video shows that the wire joints are also made using the drill, where you can swing the wires to make a strong spiral bond.
Repairing a damaged car battery terminal using lead and a heating element. This powerful ventilation equipment is used to capture smoke and protect personnel from exposure to harmful fumes and dust. Workers using a vacuum road vacuum cleaner and a chainsaw cut the grass and immediately clean it up.
The video shows a person using a drilling machine to suck and drain water through a pipe.
Instead of using molds, this machine shrinks, alienates and curls edges all at once.